Hi Crafty Friends, I'm Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do an unboxing from Uniquely Yours Down Under. This is actually the second one. Last week I did the unboxing for Heart and Soul by Josephine Wall, and I mentioned that my brother got me these two paintings for my birthday, and I just want to say thank you again to my brother. He's just the kindest, sweetest man, and I love you. Thank you. Okay, so this one, I basically already took it out of the bag and I laid it flat because I wanted to make sure that you guys can see it, you know, as flat as that you can see it. And it's called Psyche Entering Cupid's Garden. Okay, it's absolutely beautiful, guys. It's big. So let me move it down like this so you can see it. Slide it down. Okay, so Psyche Entering Cupid's Garden. And it was created in 1903 by John William Waterhouse. And this is one of the best known works by Waterhouse. It's a 50 by 80 centimeters, and I ordered this one with ABs. So the good thing about this company is that it gives you options. So anyway, so let me just tell you a little bit about this painting. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. This painting depicts a scene from Greek mythology, and it's the beautiful, her name is Psyche, and whose name actually means soul or breath of life. And the story behind this is that Psyche was very, very, very beautiful, and Venus was very jealous of her beauty. So she basically sends her son Cupid to punish Psyche for her beauty, but instead she's so gorgeous that Cupid ends up falling in love with her, but they only see each other in the dark, and so she couldn't identify him. So I guess one day Psyche decided that she was going to try to see him in the daylight, and this is exactly what she's trying to do. So she's trying to enter through this door. It's like I guess it looks like she might be pushing the door. Let me see, there's a picture here. Well, I'm going to let you guys see the picture. Actually, here's a sticker so you can see it better. So it's absolutely gorgeous. She's got this beautiful pink gown, and it looks like she's going to enter a garden. So she's just trying to take a little peek to see what Cupid looks like. All right. So, okay, so it's got a legend on the top. Let me move this over here. On the top, on the right hand side, it's got the picture. It tells you how many colors. It's got 43 colors. It's got the symbols. The symbols are on the canvas, and the colors. I picked this one with 1, 2, 3. So this one comes with 3 ABs. So you can order it with ABs or without ABs. I ordered it round, and I also picked the 50 by 80 centimeters, but it comes in 3 sizes. So you can either pick 50 by 80 centimeters or 75 by 120 centimeters or 85 by 135, and that would take me forever. You could also decide if you want to include the kit or not. I decided that I wanted the kit, which is this. Oops, I just dropped the sticker. So it comes with the tray, you know, the usual, the pen, the wax, and the tweezers. So I don't know why, but I did. And then I also picked poured glue and the soft lint canvas. So the canvas is actually very soft, which is nice. Okay, so let's look at her. So she's absolutely gorgeous. Like I mentioned before, she's got this beautiful, her hair tied up, and she's got a little bun. This looks like these are tree leaves. She's got this beautiful gown. I think she's carrying some flowers in her hand. Let me see that. Let me look at the picture again. No, I have no idea what she's carrying in her hand. But it looks like when she enters the garden, she's just amazed. She doesn't bump into, I don't think she bumps into Cupid, but instead she just encounters this beautiful, beautiful garden with lots of different flowers and lots of roses. And I think down here there's a huge, move this way, it's got a pottery here, some pot. And so I can't wait to get this one started. Let's see how sticky it is. It's actually sticky, very sticky, which is nice. Okay. I already told you it's got 43 colors. All right, so why don't we look at the colors very quickly. And it comes, of course, with the sticker. And so I would have to cut these and stick these labels to the containers. And which is cool about this, like it tells you the number, it tells you the symbol on the canvas, the DMC color, but it also tells you how many. So in other words, the 152 in the bag, I guess, or more than one bag, it's 175 of them, and it tells you also the weight. So, which is nice. All right. Okay. So here we have. Sorry about the noise. And here you have another paper with the information again. It's just basically the same information. I'm looking at the symbols to see the letters from A through Z, and then the rest are just symbols. I'm just trying to see if there's anything very similar. The only thing here is that you have a lowercase a, lowercase d, e, and h, and then on the top you have the capital letters. So that's fine. And these are the colors. So let me take them out, and we'll be back. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. So it looks like we have lots of peaches, purples, blues, pinks. This is like a pretty blue. I love this green. Look at this one, 926. Look at this beautiful green. It's gorgeous. It's got browns, blues, purples, pinks. These light blue-green colors. And browns, whites. And then I separated they call them R's, but they're ABs. So this one is a 602 AB, just like a pink. And this is 798 AB, which is like a very pretty blue. And 818, it's like a peachy color. All right, so those are the colors. So lots of pinks, lots of blues, and lots of browns and greens. It's got like a little bit of everything. Okay, so let's move this aside, and we're going to bring back the painting, and we're going to try to find the 3 ABs. Okay, so the first one is this pink one, and it's the letter E. So you basically have to look for the lowercase e on the canvas. So see, there's some here. There's some here. Whatever she's holding. And there's some down here in her dress. All the way down her dress. Okay, and some over here. All right, and then the next one is this one, which is 798. It's a very pretty blue, and that would be the lowercase h. And I saw a couple over here, like all the way down here. I have no idea what that is. I don't know if it's the wall, but it looks like it's there. And then some down here. So, and then the last one is this one. It's the peachy one, and this actually is the plus sign. And I noticed that the plus sign is on her face, and it's like an outline on her body. There's a lot. See, it goes all the way down on her arm, lots on her hand, over here also on her arm, on her other hand. Trying to see if it goes down her dress. Nope, looks like it's her skin color. And that's about it, guys. So those are the 3 ABs, and if you of course want to add more ABs, you're welcome to, but I don't know if I want to bling this one out. It's just absolute. I like it a la natural. It just looks just very natural and just beautiful. You could tell that she's gorgeous and just very simple. And so thank you again for watching me and joining me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.